No, I just wanted to jump on and say a huge thank you to Estelle for helping me during my one-to-one Instagram training. Before I booked it, I spoke with Estelle trying to figure out which would be the best package for myself, as I'm quite a newbie to Instagram and feeling a little bit old, a little bit of a technical phobe. I wasn't too sure if I was even going to get anything out of it. But I did book one. I booked the hour-long workshop and we went through some great details, which I'll explain in a second. But before I attended the workshop, there was a questionnaire to fill out, which really made me think about what I actually wanted to get out of the hour's training. Although I did think what I'd written would be far too much for Estelle to handle. How wrong I was. Arrival of the Instagram training, and straight away she went through all my goals, and at the end of the hour I already felt really motivated. I knew exactly what I needed to do. I'd made a few notes, but Estelle kept saying to me, don't worry, you will get this on an email, and I was thinking, right, okay, then I just need to remember what she meant by this. But when the email came, everything was so detailed, it was almost like she'd recorded the workshop and written everything down. It was fantastic. I've been able to go back through the email and tick off what I've done, make extra notes myself on how to progress. I have had a huge increase in my followers. I feel like my timeline grid is a lot better. I know where I'm going. My branding is more aware. My bio is perfect. I've linked through to my shop so people know how to buy. My sales have increased. I really feel like I know what I'm doing with Instagram now, and it's all thanks to Estelle. So I just wanted to say a huge, huge thank you. You've really helped me achieve my goals so far. I know I've still got a lot of work to do, but I will get there. So thank you.